Watch on man, you don't know say one puppy that I represent for Davi Dan HD. Make sure you click the like button there. Make sure you share the video for a friend. You see me, tell a friend to tell a friend. Cause the brand new movie from the C title, but know for the movie I call it Teefing Was A person. So watch the movie to the end man. Do it golden road or you child. Hey Davi Dan, you won't know where you're going on. One Davi Dan HD.
Oh, boy, them good old bike seat I put on. No use for. Then hold on. Tia, you say you want a bike seat. Can't see your bike look old. I can't sell him this man. Alright.
Yeah. Girl, why am I not going to find when we bike now, right? Yeah. Yes, damn, I'm not going to hold him.
Mr. Good morning.
Alright, Keisha, me call you back here.
How are you doing?
Me alright, what one?
Then say Christmas come early because I have one little gift for you. One little birdie in the sky tell me say your bike seat tear up and two men was a storm forward. Me say me about yeah, delight and sell your seat and a little cheap price.
Tell me no. How you know so me my bike one seat?
Yeah, must mean it's cheap, huh? But we don't walk one, you know, we see things and we know say might be a this one.
Oh. Anyways. How much I sell the seat for? Cause when me check in the store now 10,000, them a tell me, you know.
You don't have 10?
No, I don't. That's why I not buy it yet.
Alright.
So how much I sell me?
Tell her. It's like I'm a friend from a long time. And me really actually I give me the old gain, but you see kind of low up on funds and now I can go sell. Honestly, next time I'll just take it and give. Because I know say me have some links down my store, so do it. You can't give me 3,000.
$3,000?
3,000.
You sure?
Give me 2,500.
10,000 nice storage. Then that nobody. Where you get it? Where you get it from?
Where me get it from? Still, I remember seeing me links all over, you know. Me and man where things just happen for me. It's a God bless you, so people just bless me with things. And that's how comes more bless you with it. So, yeah man, you can't even look at 3,000, I'm not kill you.
And a good seat, listen now.
So you're up there with our carbon fiber and everything.
3,000, I say, oh, 2,500.
If you're not have a tree, we take it 2,500. Nah, kill. Nah, do not have that sort, man. But tell you if you like, you can get it, you know.
So you say a store you get it from?
Store.
So you don't have no other colour?
No, I just this one that my friend did have at the time. You want other colour, I can look on other one, but my beat will cost some more. You know, yeah.
Alright, that's $2,000 that.
Alright, take it. Nice, man. Well, nice. Yeah. Lovely doing business. You don't want nothing else, see why?
Alright, no.
You just want alright, you want nothing.
No, sir.
You
no,
sure?
Me sure. Positive.
Call me and call me. I have a link for everything.
Me call you, man.
If you want a new door, I can find door. Me have a friend who build door. Matter of fact, a door and middle name. But we see you. Have a nice day.
Alright, my friend. Later.
Yeah, man. Lovely doing business with you. Okay. Alright, another good day. Boy. If you do it again, go in here and money, you just bless you where you're able to find the seat there. Bless you if you find the seat there and you just can do the right. You have to go lick me, man, now.
I'm going to call the work. Alright, now I'm hungry now. Hello?
Hello?
Babe, I know some day I'm hungry.
Alright,
well, no money can bring some come and get something to eat.
Yeah, man, no problem. Me even if I'm waiting, I just make one little piece of money.
Alright, babe.
Alright. Alright. Yeah, man, so maybe look what I can get a link for you. Alright. Sure.
Oh, that the great Davi Dan.
Oh, yeah, deal with.
There, man, forward to my friend.
Yeah, deal with that.
Actually, 1 week, I don't see you now in a youth. I can't live the maddest life in a youth.
Boy, we there a load dog, cause we do some big work for there, you know?
Big work, we do go on construction work.
Make up on construction site. We lift up some things, dog. You know what? We not talk about cement. We're playing this good, dog.
Davi Dan,
Yeah.
I know the same work on me normally do. When you say you go lift up some things. I know that here you still do.
Boy, that depends, you know. What you talk about? You talk about...
Remember say me a crook back in the days, you know.
Yeah.
Thief, you know.
Yeah.
Me thief people things, rob people and take their money. You see me, and me know so you did in the bracket the well, and me don't know if you still at the bracket there, so explain to me what you mean by you go lift up some things. Lift up some steel for some people?
I lift up some steel for myself. I see them, yo,
Watch, gentlemen.
calm now, brother, calm now, man. The latest operation I got on not even 2 while ago. You don't know Mr. Fender? He boy around there, he mount a bike in a yard. But me I know say tear. I don't know if you know me tear. Me see tear bike seat tear up front with him. Me hear say Starman come Wednesday. So me know say tear.
Yeah, that I thick girl.
So me say alright, watch the ball game I know. Me buy one seat, cause you know say me purchase one seat from Mr. Fender, you know.
Yeah.
To get tear up on a lower price. Cause you know say if it rain, wet up the seat, that's all mucky and sitting. So me give him one brand new one. So just want look a piece of price, man. But you know say if we purchase a different
No, me know that something me just have a reason with the ball.
What?
Davi Dan, yeah, me G. And then yes, me here afford from. Remember say a whole heap of work me go up and a thief boy money. Thief a boy girl too.
Regular.
You see me?
Regular.
I remember say one night time, you know, one nigga fling one stone off of me, you know. And when the nigga fling one stone right by my ears after he lick me, you know. Remember say 1 week me have to lay down in my bed, you know. And you know why me a boy when me start doing crook work. Remember, you know, that just other day, you know. 1 month, I got 2 months, me there me yard find watch out. Watch out.
You know somebody did hear about it, but me never know say it's a day.
Brother, me a ride my bike. And a man kick me off of my bike. Me a tell you say I skate on the ground. Because what? Me go thief out the man car out and yard.
You know say big puppy gonna be
I sell me that go sell it for half price, bro. Me done with thieving.
Me not tell right now, it's an idea give me. You know say me never yet think for thief one carry it dog. Brother, it could be yo,
done.
you know say yo, you dead
Yo,
around
watch
that.
out, man.
Listen, carry me for lift up.
Me never tell you that. Listen up.
Bike.
You see bike or your thief that now have more value than a car. You see a man spend all of 600,000 a million pan in car. You know what me go thief? One ask you. You see all of me a skate pan the ground. And the man see me drop off my bike and everything. Me feel like say man don't just lift me alone and make me go on.
Why no?
And some box agree me and some kick.
Boy, you lucky say that alone get on. But that nothing wrong for get
Brother,
1 2 bucks, 1 2 million.
I will never steal from nobody again and me I encourage you to stop.
Puppy Dan, yeah,
Me could have lose my life.
Puppy, yeah, my general. Me not top thief until they thief my life. I swear to God in heaven.
And that me did I say too. And see my life nearly thief. Me no want no more happen to me for me learning. And me learn already, you know.
Why?
Brother, stop it. I bet your woman in your yard don't know say I do them job. Remember say my woman never know say me a thief. You know?
Never.
What you mean if you find out? And so much people come and me account tell them I want back or something.
I no about that, dog. Yo, me respect your advice, you know.
Me respect you, you know.
You're a legend to me, you know, dog. Come here and tell us something. Never yet think for thief and carry it, dog.
That
So
man
right
try show you and don't things to do it.
But never saw a boy when he went that way, though.
The boy away from. Remember one time, you know. Boy just go to supermarket, you know. Boy, you name took and just go to supermarket, man. And you know, say, dear, me hungry. I'm going to thief the rice out in supermarket bag. As the boy left the bag on the veranda and guy in the house, he come back. Because she was more than one bag. Me thief out the rice out there. And the mixed parts. And when the man come at me yard and I cuss me, so me thief rice and mixed parts, me feel shame, brother, right in front of no man. Low you alone, brother.
Yeah, big up yourself, man.
Big up yourself
Yeah,
too.
go on,
But me
go
not
on.
big up you. If you go thief, nothing more, just bill, bro. Low you alone, that's
I
you.
go to my man, because I make a piece of money for you, man. He say I'm hungry.
Me give you half of me no night. Me good.
You don't want to fight?
No, me good.
You sure?
Me sure.
So like he want to kick you off my bike hard.
Brother.
You know, yo,
I'm glad you know.
next week, me call up on an operation.
No, me will block you. Me will block you from car.
Alright, yo, big up yourself, man.
Look how my friend just stop the way I do my youth.
Baby, what go on?
I'm there, babe. Want me?
Yeah. Just want to pay some money I can buy.
Hey, one thing you always will provide, you know?
Yeah.
One thing my man go always provide.
You know how I do that at least.
But B, what man for ask you for when you know? Every day, no matter how me call you, you can always scare money come give me. What kind of work you dey do?
Baby, you see, I'm telling you, see, me is a man now. I don't really do one specific job. You see, when I was 3 years old, I used to be a mechanic. But it's pan a job and lick me and something. So I kind of put on that. Me now, I just on G and I see it's a people rate. So money just go always flow.
When you're 3-year-old, B?
From me a 3. Instead of me a suck on nickel buckle, we call you, I me and something. So I whole heap of trade me have. People just rate me. People just rate me and money.
You're talented man.
Whole heap of talent. Whole heap of talent. Me I tell you the truth. Whole heap of talent.
Make sure you know, babes.
Yeah, but down in Ireland soon.
Davi! Davi!
I'm a sister. Yeah, come here.
Davi Dan!
Hold on. Style of big top. So I like him and say,
Alright.
Me say! Hello! Why you stay so? Eh? Why you stay so, Davi Dan? Don't tell me if you look. Davi Dan, you're only thief in your family.
What is?
Davi, what make you go thieving, man? Bike seat!
You see me with no bike seat. You see me on camera. You see me go the man bike seat. Which man bike seat?
The one where you're having at the house, stay. I'm sorry for she where I take money from you. I don't know where you get it from. No, me a go loud you up. Me no business. Top thief. I can't back him man bike seat. First thing you go hear say, oh, Ashan brother.
So no fear
Davi, me not thief in brother.
So you go in on a thieving brother for true. Shan, you will never see me with no man bike seat. Furthermore,
stop thief.
Shan, furthermore, me no know nothing about tool. Me look like a mechanic.
Jesus Christ, Davi, where man red bike seat there?
Me know about bike seat. Shan, me never see one tool. Me not even know if a spanner, no screwdriver pull seat. Me look like nothing like mechanic.
Me never share the same mother and the same father. Say if I did just daddy or your pa. And you know, we don't share same and same. Me get rid of you because you see them there, your touches, you know? What make you so touches?
Shan, me don't know what you're talking about. No.
Alright.
Alright.
You working? You do a 9 to 5?
Me don't need 9 to 5 to make money.
Because you're thief.
Me don't know about that. Shan, you don't have no proof so me do nothing and you never see me on camera. You can't come to me and say me
sister, alright. Me stop load you. You're not thief, man, bike seat.
Thief which bike seat? Me don't know nothing about bike seat. I don't even know what's a motorcycle. I know nothing about bike seat, Shan. Nothing at all.
You don't know about it?
Nothing at all, me don't know about it.
Alright, so if later on in the idea me hear something about the bike seat, I'm come with evidence. I know you.
It was not me. Unless you see me on camera with the bike seat in my hand and march, go down to the people, them whoever you claim say me sell it to or whatever and do with it. It was not me. All if you see me on camera, me I tell you something.
Listen to yourself. You're a top thief. Don't tell me if you got me hard, man. I don't know everybody will come to me about your thiefness. Too damn thief. I'm going to tell a girl, say, you do a thief. And every money where you use give me, you're a thief, You can't even know say a thief, you're a thief money.
Sister, man, I really don't know. What do you mean you see me thieving bike seat? I like say, camera now. Put the enough for no time. I don't spend that money there. Baby!
B, what kind of commotion are going out there, sir?
Why? Babes, if you even know. You want to know say my sister come on me yard. Where you hear about as a matter of fact?
Who in the call thief? Me hear she say something about thief, some thief business. Who are you a thief?
No. Baby, not me. Baby, me not even know if you spell that. T-E-E-F. Me don't know if you spell it. Baby. My sister come and I beg me money. Because I tell my sister I just sound like a beggar, you know. And my sister, I love working in my heart, you know, but my sister have some dirty style where I bring down my family because everybody go come and say, Ashan brother. That them all say, you know, or a Davi sister. Have them dirty style there. You see me? So in come and I tell me, say, yo, it one girl thief in wig and if me can't buy a feel.
But here.
And I call the girl thief and
so I'm to her man.
Why? Me not even want to chat about it. Plus, he come to me with family drama too.
Me there want one new wig.
No, want to my sister, so, but I don't see that. But
So one wig she ordered the galang so for a year, man.
no, I don't really that, you know. I just come out and tell me frustration. Say, man, he girl thief in your wig and I call the girl.
Make sure no.
But I like at least, so baby.
Me not like that though.
No, not at least. But anyways, no fresh off and stuff.
Alright. Me there no. You know what say? I want the yard to cut yard where I want to cut beef from when the yard no cut. You see what the bush up and tell?
You're gonna lie, I tell you. God, no, I'm shaming myself, man. Can't believe it.
You're not fair pressure yourself.
No,
You're not
you're
shame
baby.
yourself. I know your fault.
No, you shouldn't even tell me if you cut the yard. You should just know if you get somebody to do it.
Dear mistake. As me say, you not to pressure yourself. You always make sure something alright, you know. So we appreciate yourself for that for.
Tell her, me get it sorted out. Don't worry about it, man. If I say mention it, that means you dip on your head. Not true.
You know, the on my head like that be, but me just make you know say you don't cut. And I not feel pressure yourself because you know have to done right now. But when you can do it, you do it, you see me? I just that me try to explain to you.
Tell her, me have a friend. I think they have one worker. TB. Now we on the road, now we walk there and try to borrow and worker. Me yourself we cut it, or if not, find out we and get somebody to cut it. I must say my house line on the street and the people are because I job on my
Me know that be and you always try to make sure say me alright and I really love that boy you know be. But as me say, you know, have to pressure yourself, you can just
you no worry.
easy.
Me go get this sorted out. TV! Yo! TV! Yo! Down my there. Oh! I don't see what kind of out for man. Perfect. I wonder if he even work. Yo!
How are the big man?
When me yes, me come here yard and I call you that.
So, we come and touch more coffee. You take up more coffee.
Yes, brother, call me, come and put on the stone. Put on the stone.
Yo.
Put on the stone, brother. Put on the stone.
Yo. You gotta start more too.
Brother, I come for borrow your work at the way you move so long. I'm here call and that. Where did they?
Me on the back. I deal with some things.
See, you never hear me knock on your door.
I'm here.
So you hear Waka.
Brother, you walk on a load that you calling. Brother, yo. So I thief did plan to thief more coffee.
To be home for thief Waka from you, me and your friend. Furthermore, what make you think some other thief dog?
So, you know, wait till I see me. Man, bright thing, come take up more.
Let me Waka now. Where you move someone?
Yo, where you going, Waka?
Brother, me yard no one cut. No man say me yard look dirty and me no money can't pay if you cut the yard. Oh, you move so brother. School number, but me get a one walk off, I walk off. Oh, plus furthermore, you walk not even come like a good night dog. I not start.
You're bright, you have all the heart and style, Waka. You're so bright, boy. You gotta just make sure you bring back Waka. And I me know you a long time, you know. I take time with me girl.
School man. So how are you not back at
No,
yes, if anything, me come back and give us some money for use the Waka as good will. Why don't you think someone that come here thief Waka there? I mean not do them sitting there.
no, next time I do them something about man. I come take up Waka if you don't see me.
Alright.
Go on now, no rev me girl too hard, you know.
Alright.
Big back to girls. Some boy don't know how to talk.
How you got it?
Hold on there.
I want brother, I want him. Yo, top ground something, I want brother, I want him.
Finally, that me a talk about you need that. I bet you no cursive boy and a girl can put them out on you again.
What you talk about?
And I swear, You see, that me a talk boy. You see, if me never did class you feel love me cause I show me class you. Tell us if you top thief, you see you the honest money now.
Sis, me I don't know. Thief, stop tell people then say that top chat then say me a roadside.
Why you the thief?
She's a long time me have me work and I do me local cutting work and say, you know see me hard always cut me.
So how you never come cut me hard?
Sis, you hold on, you know, yeah, give me
Who I long?
Yes, yeah, give me
Anyways.
much you give me for the yard. If you give me money right now, I'm come over.
Me so talk to you about that. Me love you look.
Yeah.
You want a drink and me love you look, you know?
What do you mean? I ain't see flask no drink, you know?
No. Your chest too high.
Keep
We
it.
talk about juice and a liquor.
Alright, Casaniga.
Listen to me. We talk about that. You see now, you can't give your girlfriend all 10,000 because you know say 8 grand, 7 grand to cut yard. 2 yard you cut, you know? 2 yard you cut, you know? You look for 120 G, they say, you know?
You know, I'm cut for you, how much you have?
And sister, I come Wednesday or 2 banana, me I go pray, go look. See there? You make fear work of money already. But anyways, I love you look, my brother. So I pray you good. How you go?
You know, if you up a yard, me I go see me how deal with the yard. Where's the 10 grand and 5 grand for cut yard?
Which 10 grand and 5 grand? You say, if you cut 2 yard at 20 grand that.
Oh, so we can't make our money then, man.
Yeah.
Alright, sis, speak up yourself.
You cut 3 yard at, you know how much money that.
It was nice seeing you, man. Alright, get out, get moving. Pick up yourself, man. I love seeing you. I just feel miserable sometimes. I love to life, man. Sis, man, I'm not thief.
You're thief, man, bike
Sis, me not thief, no bike seat. Between me, how you hear from?
You don't need a fit, you do it.
Do it.
Oh, so we are worried about then.
Alright.
And come to think of it. Let me look for Nicola.
Yo, go on where you gonna, brother. Go on where you gonna. Stop
No,
put up,
me and nobody say they miss no what
sis,
kind
go on
of.
where you gonna. Go on where you gonna, brother.
Ah, me say. Alright. Let me do. Alright.
Charge it. Go on, no, man.
Alright. No worry yourself.
I said 10 grand if you cut yard. That means I can pay somebody if you cut me yard. I sell the work off yard one. If me sell it for yard one 20 grand, I pay somebody. And I want 10 grand left in my pocket. I want 8 grand and get it be 2 grand and tell them say work a last. Me have to go find somebody. God, please make somebody go on the work here. Morning, Mr.
Morning, Davi. What?
Where you going with? Go talk to me, man. What is going on?
Coming like a grad send your film me this morning.
With what?
You know long more waka?
I lie, I tell you. Want walk up?
I said.
Here. How you know say I buy the walk I can sell?
Because me know you always do buy and sell.
This is quite here. You come like a godsend, you know, because you know I'm a virgin did one the walk I for 120 grand. And I say, I took that too low. But me don't bounce in the slow because I'm a virgin. So much would I buy for?
You know, so if you tell you the truth, bro, I want 15.
15, I mean, a tear. Yeah, a brand new walk and I show you look old and just test me to see how I'm going to. By the time I go to zoom, me cut down here. I want forest me I come from.
And you cut down your whole life for it?
In no time, in a 3 minute tear, I couldn't believe. Anyhow, if I walk I touch my foot, the cut off whole life too. Tear. At 30,000 for the walk I would give you 25, I not tell no lie. Much you have to, because I'm generous for you. I don't want
A 15 mil.
yeah, for my rate, you know. But tell you, I don't want a life money. You can't send it to my account. You have an account info.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Alright. You don't know about it. Just send it to my account.
Me send it to your account.
Yeah.
So, me on WhatsApp here, you just give me account number.
I told my rate, I tell nobody I'm here get it from them.
You're mad?
If nobody see you, would you tell them say a hurricane blow come over here and me I get it from them. Me I get it from them.
So, you don't want more business?
Yeah, I'm alright now. Yeah, alright, man.
Alright, my friend.
Alright, big up yourself. Yeah,
Heavy.
here what I go on. Just so get the job now. You know I say hey, I not cut yet, but me get my money if you cut it. Me tell us me dog up on the road and do it. Me tell us me dog up on the road and do it. So me go down the road when I'm bridging and just see me and bless me with one worker. And me I said, it's like a God tell him something in need of one. Me could not believe.
I can't believe.
Yeah, like
you're
it's,
lucky, man.
I said, I don't know if I truly good when I do in my life, because I always like give people things, you know. Like, me don't know what they call you.
I don't know you're lucky, so you're lucky bad.
But here we go on, even better news. So instead of the worker now, me sitting there, me a coming down the road with worker. This one of my friends them for a long time say, Jesus Christ, Davi, where you get worker from? You know how long more worker? Even today I go pay me for cutting yard. Me say tell her, me I sell a worker, because I don't really need one worker, I just need me yard for cut. So I sell him the worker for 15,000. I'm here say around 5 or 6 grand for cut yard. So in the day now, me make call it 9,000 or 10,000 depending. Plus me I go get the yard cut. So baby, me don't know how, but God know how to find a way.
You know if you sell a worker,
How make it so?
you could have made more money with the worker because, as I say, it was 6 or 7 grand for cut the yard. Say they cut other people yard. Firstly, yard or bush up back.
No, that's true.
Say if you sell the worker, you could have if they cut the yard over when
the
you're
biggest
bush
thing
up.
I have remember, I'm a worker man, I'm a mechanic.
That's true.
Among
Still.
other things, so. I
But
don't
I'm
really
going for trade, so
yeah, I ain't really mind
that
tell
don't
it
take
that.
up your time still.
Well, I just that me I tell you still.
I'm glad.
I just that me I tell you.
You just always make a way.
He money sent to my account, so me I make a get in no time. Wait, you want burger today? Popeyes.
Burger more.
You want make a get it. As the money reach to my account, make a get it. So nothing in the house, so you can go for a meantime.
What you want?
Just surprise me, anything. Anything at all.
I'm kind of surprised me, you know.
Like one little bread and peanut butter or something. Alright. Well, I love my woman, but my woman I know I have a kind of cut, yeah, you mad.
Teefing boy, Dav, when walk at it? What is? When walk at it, bad man?
He's my brother, he's my brother.
Yo, when walk at bro, when walk at it?
Which one can you chat
Bro,
about?
you come on me and come borrow from yesterday, bro.
Oh, Tibet, dog. Bro, you see me now grow now, you know, so rain fall and wet up walk and mash up it. And I say they gonna fix.
So, bro, if you have me thing put on careless, bro, till I rain wet up it, bro.
Bro, I cut me there, I cut the yard yesterday, dog, and the rain just come down out and no, you don't see a place look damp right now. The rain just come down out and no way, brother. I become feel bad, I say I couldn't even link you about it, but here, you know, you give you 1 2 grand until you work fix it, just go on normal, brother, you see me?
Yo, give me what you have, man.
But him man say, work on must fix it now, so just take your mind off 5 feet time being. You see me?
How long that I will take?
No, him man say he want one spark plug and alternator and battery and some gas. We only pass it in one dog, because water going down there and drill out the whole life. I don't know how. So you just take your mind off it for your time. But me I tell you, I go and give 1 2 grand for just normal in the meantime, in between time. Because I feel one way dog.
Bad man, you better buy me back our kind of.
You can buy about one, but I can't buy about now. I feel further down in my mind. Just take your mind off it for now dog. Because you know, if anything me you get too much shit and we chop your yard if your yard will want to chop dog. Or you chop here and go and motivate you.
You're a joke thing there, you know, bad man.
Yo, me send it 2 grand to your account, because I don't have no money for him.
Yo, just let me get more car before you wait down, bro.
I wonder if I can hear that.
Where I come from?
Oh, you know, say, out the door, I there go, but I buck up on from my boy out the door and I kind of change my mind. If I pray somebody, I'll go with my sister.
You sure? Because that man they sound like a cussing when I cussing. What make you when I go on so?
Well, you have interest and problems and you look like my drink because you want to give him one on the whole world. I don't like when people say my friend them feel that and I feel bad, man.
You sure, B?
Yeah, me all tell me about one little situation when then a man a thing and the man left in the rain and he wet up and sit and I say, oh, kind of man that man, that's why I don't know people, my things, you know.
I hear you.
I say, because some people are good. Some people are good.
Where say I go with your sister go do the same sister way want you buy him wig and all of that? Me not really like her, you know. Me not like how she sound. Like, my spirit don't take her.
No, man, not.
For some reason, I don't like her bone in her. I just don't like how she talk. But how she go ask my man to lie with.
No, man,
I like it.
me tell you, you see my sister one very nice person, you know. He not really nice to me, you know, cause my brother and sister think that, but my sister one nice person. I just might be, you know, gonna meet her yet. Or might be just meet her on a bad time when you have the time when you get low down full force, you know, but that's why my sister that. When I eventually meet him, you like him.
Make sure, you know. And make sure I say any man don't in a nothing because me don't like how the man sound a while ago.
Sir.
I don't like it.
Yes, sir. But sitting too, like my sister, I don't even talk over my sister more. My sister, they have one man who is a thief. So I don't like thief now, I not even talk. Right, you know.
Make sure, you know. Make sure. Because me don't, listen, I don't like your problem, you know. I don't like your problem and I can't take no problem, no mix up, no bang around. I don't like it. I don't like the bag of argument and commotion. It turn me off.
God, no, man.
It get me upset.
Me I tell her.
So just make sure you stay straight and you not do no foolishness.
Yeah, what kind of
Because remember say up till now, I don't see what kind of work you do or what you doing because you not make me know your business nor
but
nothing.
yeah, see what you get.
Me I see what me I get, yes, but I don't know where it come from.
Baby,
And that I find.
baby, if it's like you want me carry down a mechanic shop or farm
Me not
or
say if you
whatever.
carry me down at the mechanic shop, but me I tell you say just make sure you see your things straight. That's all me I try to explain to
Don't
you.
worry about him, man. Everything good, everything legit. We have the most spanner and screwdriver and whatever else mechanics use.
Make sure.
Alright, me I'll leave my sister now, yeah?
Alright, be safe on the road, careful.
You as well. Sis. Sis. Sis.
Me not have no money for you.
Sis, me not have money. First thing, you don't have no money for him. That's first thing, bro.
You're right, for say me not have no money for you. Cause me not have no teething money for you. Where you come at me as for Davi Dan?
Sis, you're all gone. Sit down, man. Sit down. Just sit down. Sis, I feel like... Hey, sis, who tell us I'm a thief?
Jesus Christ. Come here. If you're a thief, you think it will stay as you a thief. You know most things that people around here say you're a thief. And it all reach back to me.
Sis, no, but...
And you know what they must say? Ashan, brother.
Man, you're too lying. Half and nobody don't know you.
How me know say?
You're too sure.
How
Nobody
me know
don't
say
know.
you thief bike seat?
Which bike seat?
Where you come at me place for?
I know, so I'm not girl and I have one problem.
Hey!
You see, I don't know money.
You have, you know?
You have AIDS. All if my AIDS that not nothing to do with you because you can't catch my AIDS. Sis, what me ask this? You feel like I have one problem. A serious problem. Because here I go. Sometimes I do some things. I don't chat about teeth. So I don't get that off your man. Because I don't have teeth. Like force.
With a relationship?
No, I'm relationship perfectly fine. But here I go. Sometimes I do some things like with people I rate. And sometimes even people I don't know. My wife just put that and no manners. Look, me just pass on that.
And your knees talk, what you say?
Me I say, sometimes I do some things for the people I'm rate. And sometimes even people I'm not rate. Like, I violate them certain way because even yesterday, when I see what they want.
Like how you violate me. When me tell you say a thief, man bike seat.
I lie you tell us. Until I see one picture with me with that bike seat, I don't know nothing what you talk about. I don't know if you work with police style up. I do some things to people I rate and people I don't rate. Where I feel like I go around them. Yesterday, I do a little thing and when my dad come back to me and he might diss me one type of, not even diss me, but I chat to me one way and I can say, yo, I'm doing alright. But what I do, it make me survive in a real way.
Then, if I your friend and he might tell you say we are doing alright, obviously say if it up, Davi. I mean, no, say if you do it thief, you know. And you dirty thinking ways where you have a thief, you know.
I don't know what you talk about. But I want to be careful like everything a thief.
I wonder if I just came for me, I think we a little short fat boy that I'm not like. Because I'm alone, I see you keep as friend, you know.
Oh man, that boy.
And he had a thief in one, him look thief to you want to ride the bike.
Oh man, that man that him top thief long time. What tell everybody else so then kick him off for a bike making a roll on.
Yes, because he got thief in man carry think me not hear about him.
You hear about that? Boy, crave up man, him put on your thief in game long time.
As oi, if you not top thief.
Sean, me I don't know thief.
What them a go there in our words, you know?
Brother.
Chop him and did I go chop him up, you know? And he couldn't tap him back so he kick him off fight, you know?
Sean,
Let's me place, cause right now y'all make me feel like me have to go look out at me and who come for you. Cause you know normally come and I just say no.
So me can't just tell my loving sister and you don't see
Your
anything call to me.
Your loving sister try to tell you right and you not take it come here tell her say, just tell me say you thiefing man bike seat and you know want weed. I mean no say you thiefing Davi. Stop thief man. Thiefing is not good. Yeah, you thiefing friend them. I don't wanna ride the bike.
I'm not friend no. Alright, I realize say you're not helping, so I know what I have to do. Right now, I so watch man, I have to get on a bike or something, because I realize say you're holding
You
on
man
a
go
shop.
thief. Me have one black dress so me no wear it.
I don't wear a dress.
You don't worry yourself how it a go wear.
Wear a dress, no?
When you thief your bike, just know say you nah no sister but you go get bike. You think no say a thief you go thief it.
I don't know whether. I don't know if what sister say right or wrong, but dog, I don't know. I don't even stress my brain upon that, you know. One change say shut up, sweat up. Stress I kill my friend here. I change say shut up and come go down and shop. Cause you know.
Easy, my killer. Just call on daddy. Respect, man, every time, here. Yeah, man. What go on, mommy? Big up yourself. I want to finish, you give me 20 pounds of flour and 10 pounds of rice. Here. May I wait for you. Hear me, mother? Heart of love, man, every time. Jaja, you. Take your time, man. You're not ready, my mother, man. Anytime you're ready. Yeah, I wait for you, man. You see me? Yeah, me have enough time, man. You know, me not run gun away. You see me? Yo! Jesus Christ, Father God, man! Lord God, man, take me bike. That's great.
What is a boy a day? Look how long you have me to sit down there wait saying they come. So I don't understand this. So, how much better to come in a me yard and me not own bike? How you text it? How you get? Where you give me that feeling? Where you get bike from?
So hold on, honey. My wife.
Where you get bikes?
Yeah, boy, I mean, I get bike. Alright. You know, I say you buy it not very clean and all, but you see when you buy, me looks so I throw me there for like walking in the mother and sitting. Baby, show me buy it this. This is the reason why I'm broke so from out here, because I save hard down at the mechanic shop. I had to work them, I save hard, man. I buy myself one to buy it now. I see there all the time, I see one go to have half ice cream and stuff. Thanks.
Why? Yes, I'm very ambitious. You boy, me could have never choose a better man.
Yeah, I know. That's what I look man.
Ambitious, bad.
Yeah, me not tell a lie. Yeah, you push me for go so hard,
I'm proud of you.
push me so
Proud of
hard.
you, bad.
God, no. So see, anytime you want to go out and our stuff, you have one look.
Worry, no, we're about that good.
No man, no worry
You have
about
to start from somewhere.
that. Yeah, start me
Very
a
so.
to come buy a car now. Anytime, I just want to wash off and I'll be able to like this.
Yeah, man, we're so good.
So I just that.
Me like your color. I'm my favorite color too.
Gold or blue?
The gold.
Go buy some gold necklace and diamond.
Yeah, because I'm tired of silver. You know, sister, I don't love silver, you know.
No worry about it. I go down to the office, go work hard.
Make
Next week.
sure.
Believe me.
You don't have to pressure yourself, you know.
Ah, man.
You don't know, say, me not fussy.
Believe me, I put in some
Yeah.
serious work. Don't worry about it. Believe.
Make sure. But I'm proud of you still.
So
I like
don't carry me, no. See key, man. Walk with the key and carry me.
Yo!
Why pray?
You know so many need to have a conversation though.
What go on?
Davi, me your friend. Me respect you. Me rate you as a brother. Brother, you just need to just listen when me talk to you in a youth. Listen to me, I say, Davi. You're my G. you need to stop off of thieving. Where you get the bike from? Me not say you can't work and have money and buy bike, you know, bro. But just tell me as a person, where you get the bike from? Me and you know a good set. And a right good sis.
Never buy.
That's why you need to stop, bro. Brother, remember, you know, me get rub up in a man kick me off of my bike, you know, bro. My ankle, right now my ankle even come back if you look pan, you know, bro. Right now if me move all certain, my ankle hot up in a dog. Me get this and I remember say me that crook, you know, brother. You can't get worse, and I not say worse. I go happen to you, know, what me just try to show you, brother. Me hear your name a call in the street.
Power.
I want a little hit around and you didn't even know, bro. Between me and your brother. You see, you walk away your teeth from Tibi. Tibi have one wicked cousin. Them the man there. You see, one night time me the thief and my name did hot as up. I don't know if you remember the time me go and mobile one night time. Buck up with the nigga there. And so one night time me go thief something on mobile. You see me thief 100,000 from one youth. And me and Tibi cousin up there apart. And me I tell you say the youth they are one wicked. Them man they are top gun man. And he come like Tibi tell the man what go on. Me say you sell the waka to Tia, you thief from Tibi and sell the waka to Tia.
You know that?
Brother, you think in a street, bro, and the man they don't want to come and then come dash you, bro.
No, but me tell the man say I'm mechanic have it dog, I fix it and say.
Brother, me say the man cause he don't want to come and come dash you away. I call the man, call me and ask me things, boy, and me have to tell the man say, bro, I'm a general that. And me tell me say me I go warn him. So from when me if you come link, you know. But me never want to come up here, yard, brother. Cause might be the ignorance me did have in me, might be mother come chat in front of you, man. Come on, you have to stop, brother. And I say, I just go and hold it till me see it even call me, no want to call you, brother. Come in, no want to call you there on your woman and me chat it too. Davi, you need to stop, brother, man, did have hit on your head, brother. Just listen to me if you say, no, bro. You can't lose your life for this, brother. I work right now, you know, brother.
Alright. Me just tell you after that, see you. Hit gone or stuff.
Me chat to you nigga said you, but you know sometimes you have some man can tell you say yo we good and you not good. Still look out your eye. Always tell me say governor and he not grown me badness cause me and my G like that. But look out your eye see me you would. Listen to me and say bro.
True dog, alright.
Right now I feel like all this a bike to brother. Yo sell this a bike brother or just go put it back in the people me hard or something brother. Feel better youth. Your name think in the street bro. Think of one place. I mean, know you smell it.
Yo, respect for putting for me, guy. Me I do you right for sure.
Do you right, Davi, please. Me no want to lose you as a virgin, dog. Remember, dog. Me can't figure this, you know. It's carried upon me for the rest of my life, you know, brother. A thief cause that, you know.
Yo, respect, dog.
Do you right, bro. Respect you, bro. Do you right, dog. If me ain't rate me could make a nigga roar and roar, you know. Yeah, me G, bro. Do you right, bro.
Well, young now, I'm not go from the road. Why, thank God for pocket and if you don't know, show me pretty my bull still I do my ranks. God, look how everything just. Well, I'm not even knowing.
No, Sagi. How you look, so?
Oh,
You look sad.
no, man. Oh, man, me alright, man.
I like you look.
Man, what me just me look alright, man. I don't know, man. Me alright.
Do you look sad?
No.
What do you?
I don't know.
Me notice you not even working and got 2 weeks now you not going no work. What they going in your life? What they going? Where they hide? Where not tell me? Talk to me.
Alright, baby. We tell you the truth, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? The mechanic shop now go on good, you know. Cause I don't really know still. I mean, I want a big boss them down there, but the other 2 man them own the company too. It's like everybody has split up, so now we can't really do no work because you know, in manager them, everybody now do good. One man I say this I pray, one man I say that I pray, and we just stuck in the middle. So we can't really have no customer them because every time if we have somebody down there, we have to charge them and the price they not agree upon. So it's soon start out still, but maybe right now.
I like you look, babe. I don't like you look none at all. And not even gas, me see it's not even gas I can buy if you put in a bike and things like that. But what more you have to know is, no matter what, we're going through a rough patch right now where things are rough, very, very rough. But me just want you know, say, me go always there for you. Through thick and thin, me go hold it down for you, same way.
You promise?
Plug it up. Be, me go there for you no matter what. Me not still there. And things,
You're there, I'm sure I never see you so until.
I just say go, you have times when you're up and you have times when you're down. Which now, are just a time when you're down. Which things soon good again.
Boy, when I
I
tell
just
me like,
time.
Kelly, you come like that best girl never do. No girl never yet make me feel so. When me there on a broke stage and can't provide. I tell you the truth. God know if me am my last one I take care and give.
I just
And
say
you
go
see this
sometime,
little
be.
speech I will make to me. It just give me some inspiration now to go out there and do it. I put down a mechanic thing for a while and go find one hooker or something. You're right, and I shouldn't even sell the work because I even know I could have fixed it.
Yeah, you could have like,
But
when you get things like them, they be, you have to just put it to use and things like that. You can't sell things like them, they have to do investment. All the bike you can go use to run bike taxi or something, but you can't sit down so.
you're right, man.
You can't sit down like this because it don't make no sense. You have to try something big.
Right now, the way I see it, just if somebody else they want to buy this a bike, I me just sell it and just buy some seed or do some farming or something. I mean, I don't know, mechanic thing might be a time to put it down. Because I one virgin who used to do it too, but daddy have an accident where all his skin creep up and something. And dog say, yo, better me put down a mechanic thing because you only good for a while. So he might tell me as a elder because he dad do it long before me.
Oh, it kind of hectic.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
So he might tell me. But me I look at ideas still. I know my sister, he said one way you see her too, like,
Yeah.
I make your meeting. No yet, no, but me all link him for an idea today.
Alright, no problem. More meet her because me not really want to judge her like that, you know? Even though my spirit not really take her from based on how she be here.
Yeah, but make your meet her, man. But
I just, I guess sister, me have to just try to live good with her, isn't me?
Me personally, I go link her right now. See if we can get one thing for her.
Alright, just careful upon your road there.
Alright.
That's all. Just careful. What I'm gonna do what I do. I don't stay too long.
No, man. Soon come. Alright.
Alright, later.
Alright, take care. Sis. Sister. Can I come in?
Come on, come on.
My loving sister. Favorite sister.
Davi,
The only sister.
Davi. Me not have it.
No, I don't beg me come bigger.
Davi, me say me not have it.
I don't beg me come bigger.
Okay, now listen.
Sis. You know what's all along? My name been a call for some things and...
What?
Hold on, man.
Ali and turn back.
My name been a call for some things. And you are calling me thief. I don't know where you get the word there from, sis. But... I feel like I want to change my life. I get
So. Hold on, this the captain. So, all along my friend tell me say your brother a thief, a true. So, Davi, you been a thief. Say a thief.
You Red Sea where I chop both for a win. I know about it.
You're thiefy.
I involved in it.
No, you're thiefy.
Yes.
Jesus Christ, disgrace.
I'm silly.
Come out here before you thief me out of my house.
Sis, hold on. I come to talk to you. What day a couple of weeks ago when I come to you and tell you the situation. And that I did want to tell you because I said I'm grown and I'm afraid.
So hold on there. You walk a thief, you're thiefy.
Sis, told me I still have no time for bash me now. Sis, me I try to change my life. I no time for bash me.
Jesus
Sis, I no time for bash me, man. Just tell me. So me I say, me just try to change my life, you know. So me I confess. I don't have nobody to chat to, and I have no parents here, my only sister. And you're just you and my girlfriend alone in this world I care about. So me I confess to you, and I just try and make it know I'm wrong. I do some holy person. Enough things you hear about, enough things I go, so I go. But all the things are not so echo.
Davi Dan,
Sis, I just try to change my life now.
you're sick the stomach.
So you never do wrongs in your life, eh?
No thief.
Sis.
Me take foolishness from people and continue go back. And that type of foolishness what me doing in life. You come here and tell me say you're thief and you apologize to me. You apologize to you woman you have over there. I'm going to see her if you tell her how thief you be.
What if you tell me my business that no concern you? When you have a whole heap of man them sis,
Hey!
I have to Tom.
Come out of me house.
Say you take dick from her.
Come out of me house. Come out of me house. It's like say you did a count strokes and you know if me did a take dick from Tom and her come.
Sis, I know that me come to talk about. Me and son now me in a situation because I stop thief for much weeks now.
Jesus Christ,
Sis, listen. I don't know nothing for proud. I'm just tell us, yo, I'm gonna change my life. I tell us, yo, I'm stop doing and sitting there. And I don't have one form of income now, so I don't know if you can. sis, I don't know if you can give me 1 2 tin mackerel or rice.
No, sir, I don't have it. Right now, I have back shit out of hog mode. I don't have it.
Not even 1,000.
Me say, if I think mackerel, I don't have $1,000. Listen to me. Get a wrong one. I have it.
If you more.
Go thief.
So you really are selling me for thief? You have one brother?
You have one woman over there making call. Somebody sit work out, me keep me not have it.
Sis, you really are selling me for thief?
Me say, me not have it. Davi Dan come out of my house.
Sis, me not left for now. Me not.
Oh, sit down.
Me not left for now. You have to do something for me.
No, me say me not have it. And me tell you this. Me tell you this, man. Just rest me.
Sis.
I'm going to do and go water my flowers then. Bo, you want $1,000, you want 10 mackerel, you want this, you want that. And you see to me, no trouble out in my house. I'm glad I don't have nothing here.
God no, Father God. I don't know what I'm doing in life to deserve all this. Allah me tell me know what I do, but Father God, I try to do it right. And one person I world like fit by my side. And my blood. We never born come see my mother. My father run left way. From my sister little and me I take care of her. I'm not saying owe me nothing, but at least I never beg him nothing yet. You have him and them I know, so you have him bring some money, but why? I don't know if I might come in life this for suffering, but even if me I go suffer, I swear to God, so I not make my woman suffer. Cause she never do me nothing wrong yet, through thick and thin. They're by my side. Sis can't tell me nothing now. Can't tell me nothing. Swear to God, you can't tell me nothing. You know, so you have to have sitting in this barrel there. We have a rice off. That's my sister wicked boy. Tell me say 500 US. I'm making $1,000. Jesus Christ, my sister no made me no good. And now me know this is $75,000. Me tell him say I'm dead for hungry. And he couldn't give me $1,000. Oh man, me I check this money and cut off my sister. My sister no made me no good. God, me tell us I'm not a thief again, but this is the last time. You have to do it. Have to do it, man. Let my sister come back and cut.
Let me forgive that thieving boy. No, I'm not style my thief. But to bother my brother, same mother, same father. I'll never forgive my $100. I want to be with. I'm a white man give money, you know, I no time I spend it on no thief. Cause me ask him if my thief and he chat about now. But too bad from what day, I don't hear no more complain about him. So he look like he top thief, you know, for true. And I used to take care of me, you know, I don't really want to dash no water in my face. Remember where I come from before, you remember where. But I mean, Davi would really take up thief things. At that time, when they take up hot girl, you know, and can't manage hot girl. Eh? Give me $100.
I I'll go left this house, so yeah, I'm gonna get better sense for there. So.
Davi,
Yes, sure.
you say, I think about it now. I think you $100 out of my money or my man. Give me.
You know, see, you don't have no money. You don't have no money from you, man. They good.
Yeah,
You know, see, you don't have no money. Where you get some shit from?
I listen to you. Anyways, you say if you never hear any and call for no more foolishness. You never no call me back, you see, man. And I told you used to good to me, I used to take care of me and little. Make me a good game money.
No, man, sis, make your money time, man. You don't have to give me no money.
So I don't want the money.
Sis, make your money time, man. No good in your wallet.
Turn your back, turn your back.
Sis, make your money time, man.
Me say turn your back.
Sis, make your money time. Yo, me no want no money, man. You can't go me out. No money.
Yo, turn your back, no man.
Sis, no, man, no, baby. Good, brother. Good. You come on.
Yo! Come here. Yo!
Wow.
The money.
Which money?
The money. The empty.
Sis, where you talk about? Sis, where you talk about? No, brother.
Hello, give me my money.
Sis, where you talk about? Sis.
Oh God! You don't just tell me say you're top. You don't just tell me say you're top thief. Eh? You don't just tell me say you're... Hey, don't touch me. Stay from my top.
Sis, you don't understand.
You don't get you all I eat and you're not gonna get you.
Sis, my desperate, you don't understand. Me never beg you nothing yet. And if one time I beg you as my sister, you deny me.
No! You beg me and why you never wait. You're thiefy. Come out of my place.
Sis, me never beg you nothing.
Come out of my
Sis,
place.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You say if me give you, me change me name. Yeah, sure you say. One. You not get it. 1 money, 2 money, 3 money, 4 money, 5 money. You not get it. Get paper. Watch him. Damn thief. If you tap thief, if I'm matter of fact, me a come up here and come tell your woman. Watch and see. Oh, then me a come. 2 thief man.
Yebs.
Yeah, what you call me, Safabi?
I sitting for tell her.
Guys, don't listen to him.
Me sitting for tell her. Me
Me
sitting for tell her.
No, me force a chat.
What make me the call me so?
Yeah, me sitting for tell her.
Aye. This is
Yeah,
Davi.
now listen to...
Wait, una confuse me one at a time,
Hello.
Lord Jesus.
Baby, you not even know how this is. Listen to me, man. Listen.
I mean, I sister.
Be one at a time, una confuse.
Let me first
Why
start.
problem?
Let me first start.
Alright.
So, let me break it down a little faster for you. Because really, you don't know what. Your man a thief. He walk and he thief. Anyways, no. He
Girl,
walk.
hold on. What is?
Your mother thief, if you play back seat and if you play walk and sell it back to Tia. In
Girl, no, like I tell for my mom.
remember, say you want this.
No money from you. So I'm not like...
Be a true she a tell.
Baby, remember something tell us something.
Girls to girls, look me, I look out to you. In thief and he come over me yard. He tell me say he's sorry for your thief and me didn't write about what me think about it because in thief shut up your mouth. Because in thief. So now me I say come out of my place because I know say me did right. Listen now, because I know say me did right. Alright now.
Girl, this unbelievable.
Listen now, then me come outside now for water my flowers. I think about it now say me man give me one little 5 bills yours, you know? And then me say alright then. I go bust my brother, because bad too bad I need my brother.
Yeah.
And he look out for me. So I say, me I will give him one little bills and test him, seal and test him to see if he might go work, continue, stop trouble things. Anyways now, me go in my house, I look for money, he keep on and say, sis, me ready. Right, he must say, sis, me ready and sis, me nobody want the money man. All of a sudden, you know, want the money. So me I say, no bro. True, me tell her say me not have it. Me just sit down make your wall out for your feel or you feel for go work. Then now when me look in a vase and me have my flowers them. Can't find the money. So me say watch ya. And me alone live. Me and nobody no live. No man no come and me and do a hotel go do where and come and me and me do ever la. So why make as you we accused of thieving come now? Me money gone. So me drape in my doorway. See the ask my father I take out my 5 bills US all time pocket.
You lost.
Babes.
You know, you know, love the girl. Tell her the truth.
Yes.
B.
I tell her the truth.
Me I want you 8. I don't give none. Thief.
I tell her the truth. So now my sister said, I saw you go. But no for baby, me must
Just talk, cause you upset me now, you know.
Me I tell her the truth. Me not
like that, me not like thief.
Me I tell
And
her.
my
Lion
two of
thief
them.
walk together. Me not like them.
And my two of them.
Sister me say no. But me tell her say me a mechanic and do other things. Me a
No,
mechanic.
you're not a mechanic. You're thieving man bike seat. You thieving bike seat and 5 man bike.
Girl, you know how long me I wonder what him they do for film work so make as me can ask him to sing can come give me.
No, but what I not remember.
All me never yet see him with one tool and he say I'm a mechanic all of that. And me ask him where am I doing? He not tell me.
Well, honest, so true you provide for your girl. That means you have to go you to thief. And you're disgrace to it. But
And me there so they hold it down with this boy I feel so much hungry.
no, but I become a top for the last 2 weeks.
you have thief for last 2 weeks.
I'm when me I got to my sister now for one baby me take care of this girl.
You disgust me. Me not like thief.
Left him. You have help your pack left for dirty boy. Thief.
So you really
Right
go.
now,
I don't know.
Me know, sir.
I don't know you're a thief for your sister. You?
No, and I'm my man.
I left her to deal with you. Come done with you.
Davi, you have to do it.
I don't give no money.
Go on back to your sister.
No, no, come
Go
back.
on with her.
Me
You
not
want me? No.
You can't let me because of this.
What you
So
mean?
you go put me out.
You have to go. Look how much I soon start thief on me.
Oh, me for deep right here and me I hold it down with you. No, mother.
And me that hold it down with you. You not hold it down with me because you're a thief and you lie to me.
So you really go put me out because of
Yes, you got to go.
that? For real?
Yes.
You can't give
So
me
come collect your things them and go on back to your sister cause and me and you now work.
Well, I'm tired. Active for choke, so you know we are who. Alright, people. If the movie I post after the storm, I hope not to mash up for no. If you post before the storm, God be with you no. And we'll just try to keep safe in the weather, yeah. But watch now. You know, so we are going to set to watch either before or after. Or might be during this time, depending on how electricity set around the island. You see me? But yo, what if I movie out previously? What if I movie out after this? So we just keep on check out the other channel them, check out this channel and just go and comment. Remember, so we still have one Panama trip plan. So if you don't have some donations or just feel generous, you know what to do. Just check the link in the description. Alright? Enjoy another day.